National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Hood County in north central Texas, western Parker County in north central Texas, Somervell County in north central Texas, northern Erath County in north central Texas, Jalapeno County in north central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Weatherford, Stephenville, Mineral Wells, Granbury, Glenrose, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Morgan Mill, Mineral Wells State Park, and Possum Kingdom State Park. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.